Hi there, my name is Signe. I'm an implementations developer here at Cludo. So in the next minute and a half, I'll walk you through Cludo's Rich Inline Template. It's a powerful, flexible way to elevate your website search experience. So what is the Rich Inline Template? It's a pre-built search results layout, more advanced than the legacy inline version, but easier than building a fully custom solution. It gives you AI summary, multiple filtering, extra result fields like badges, breadcrumbs, dates, and images, all powered by Cludo while still giving you plenty of room to customize the look and feel. So I will show you how to set it up in 4 easy steps. You start by taking the default style sheet and add it to the head of your website. This will give you the basic design. Then you paste in the script with your unique customer and engine ID in the bottom of the body tag. Then you add or update a search form. And then you add the search results container where you would like the results to be shown. Then you have your search up and running. So, with a few lines of code and your branding touch, Cludo's Rich Inline Template transforms your search into a sleek, interactive experience. Want to take your website search to the next level? This is the way to start.